Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add friends in Finch app. Finch is a self-care and productivity app that helps you build healthy habits through daily goals, reflection and mindfulness activities. As you progress, your Finch pet grows with you and you can also connect with your friends to support and motivate each other. Adding friends in Finch app allows you to send encouragement, check in and stay accountable together. And in this video you'll learn how to add friends in Finch app step by step. First, open to your Finch app and make sure you are logged into your account. You'll see a Finch pet on the home screen. Over here on the top left, there's a three-lined icon. Select to the three-lined icon. Here on the bottom, there's a community. And just below, did someone invite you? There says invite your friends. Select to this invite friends. Over here, invite friends. Over here, you can also select a micro pet for your friend. Select any of this micro pet and select and send oatmeal on the bottom. And over here, you can select any of your social that you want to invite your friends with. And that is it. Adding friends in the Finch app makes your self-care journey more connected and enjoyable. Support each other, stay motivated and grow together with your Finch pet. Thank you for watching and enjoy using Finch with friends. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.